Stop wasting money and start making real profit. Today, I'm going to teach you how to operate automatic foreign nylon making machine without guessing, without producing waste nylon. Are you coming across my video for the first time? My name is B-Word. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your product. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share as it helps us grow our page, and so you won't miss any update from V1 Nylon Production. So today is special video because I have a special Oyibo beside me. So today we are going to learn how to operate this automatic nylon making machine. So I'm here with Onyocha Oyibo. So let's hear from him.
Okay.
Oyibo, what's your name?
Okay. My name is Musu Onyebishi Emmanuel.
Wow, Emmanuel, you are welcome to V1 Nylon Production.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
So where are you from?
Okay, I'm from Nnewi, Anambra State, precisely.
Wow, in Anambra State.
Yeah.
Wow. Emmanuel, how did you find out about us?
Okay, that's true. Cause at a point I have to drop my work, and also because I want to venture into business, especially entrepreneur. So I started researching concerning nylon production. Then I came across you guys' page through Facebook. Though I have to say I'm impressed based on the information I got from the Facebook. That was why I have to put call across to know where your company is and also get further information concerning the production aspect. So that's why I'm here. I'm here because I really want to learn the business.
Wow. So you want physical training, Abi?
Yes, both physical training, yes, everything.
And online?
Yes.
Because you have been doing online before you join physical class.
Exactly,
Abi?
yes.
Exactly. So this is our foreign machine, understand? As you know, they already know. So I'm going to, you are going to teach them. You are going to help me teach my ghost viewers, understand? Those that is watching us. So you are going to teach them. So now, here is our row. You understand? This is the usual. See it. You can just, when you fix your row like this, you just put it here. Like this. When you put it, you have to pass it through like this. You put this one, you see, as in you just bring it like this, also pass it. Then same way, you push it down. This thing is sensor. The sensor.
Okay.
Once you raise it up, if there is nylon, okay, let's use this one and check. Okay, it's because there is no light. If there is light now, so when you pass it, you now be passing it and be going. So here now, this is blade. You understand? This is sealing where the nylon seal. Here, this is where the nylon seal. Like the manual machine now. This is Teflon now. That's in that ring light, that thing that used to seal it is here. This is where they seal it. So you now pass it. So this is where the nylon is going to cut. Here. Understand? As you can see, this one I've already sealed. Is here. Once it's sealed here, it will now bring it here. Then blade will now cut it from here. So if you want to set a big one or small one, is here. And you can equally set it here under. Understand? When you roll this thing like this, you can either bring it up or down. Okay. Understand? And equally here, under here, you can equally set whether you want to produce big one, bigger nylon, or smaller nylon. So here is where you are going to set the temperature. This is temperature control, and this thing is digital counter. For example, you want to produce 100 nylon. Here is where you are going to see it. As you can see, it's 50 now. So let me change it to 100. Okay, 100. Let me set it to 100. Count 100. You put 1. Sorry. 1. Then put 0. See it now. It's 100 now. This digital counter. So this is temperature. If you want to increase your temperature, because this thing is 2, you know this thing is double decker. Understand? So one have one, then the other one have one. The back one have this one, while the front one have this one. So you have to set the temperature. When you on this machine now, you'll be seeing it. Once you press this, it's just like this thing now.
Mm.
The number will be changing. You set it to the temperature based on the nylon texture. Understand? You set it, you set the temperature. After setting it, here too, they're going to, this thing is what, because this thing now you will not understand this Chinese language because it's foreign machine. Understand? It sense that you are going to use, and once you are operating it, you'll be watching the nylon, because the nylon, you'll be watching the machine and the nylon you put inside the machine. So now, what we are going to do now is we are going to on it. This is on and off button.
Okay.
You understand? This is on and off. When you on your machine, first thing you on it here. You on it like this here. Off. If there is light now and this thing is on, it will automatically reflect it. But if there is no light and if you finish working on this machine, you must off this thing like this. In case you are not around, the bring light so that it will not burn your machine. You have to off it here. Understand? So now we are going to on our machine to see what we have done so far. Let's on it. Is it hard? As you can see, we have successfully set our foreign automatic cutting and sealing machine. Just as easy as that. It's not hard. The only thing is that you have to be paying attention to the machine to know whether it's sealing or not. You understand? So I'm going to explain this one for you. This one is punching machine, but we are not going to make use of it now. Till you learn, master this one. It's from here that you now move to here. This is automatic punching machine, foreign machine. Punching machine. So this is punching machine. So this is where we on it, on and off. It is very easy to operate. You understand? On and off. You understand? When
Okay.
you on your machine now, this is called board. This one too is board. Let me bring it. This is called board. You understand? Punching board. This one too is also punching board. As you can see, I've made use of this one. So this is punching board. When you place your punching board like this, you bring your blade. You see your blade, understand? For example, this is your nylon,
Mm.
understand? You place your nylon here like this. When you place your nylon, make sure you balance it in the middle where you want to punch. You now bring your blade and place it. Understand? See example of the blade. See the shape of the blade. Understand? You now place your blade under. Then now push it inside like this. When you push it, see where this thing is. So when you now push it inside, you on your machine. You now do this thing like this. This thing will now move down. Obada, yeah, jack, obuli abada. If you now carry it down, go down, you now remove it. Once you remove it and bring out your blade, you have successfully punched. Very easy. Punching machine is just very, very easy to operate. So is there any questions so far?
For now, no question.
Okay. Okay. This is blowing machine. You have already know now that this is blowing machine. You have already learned it yesterday, even how to operate it. You understand? Even how
Mm-hmm.
to operate it and everything. Come and touch it. Come and feel it. So it's small, small. uh Even I even taught you online uh before you even join our physical class. So there is nothing yet to operate. All of these things is very easy. Nylon production is just for you to understand how everything works. Understand? See, this is nylon. So that's this blowing almighty blowing machine, or you can call it extruder. This place is where we set temperature control. It's the same temperature control that is in the other machine that I showed you. That
Okay.
is here. It's just for you to set anyone that you think that is appropriate for the nylon. And when you are blowing, at a point you'll be checking whether the temperature is still running with the nylon, because all the materials might not be the same.
Okay.
As the texture of the nylon is changing, you also it's either you are upgrading your this thing temperature or you are lowering it
Okay.
anyhow. So this is it. So this is warmer. When you bring your material, this place is where we are going to put it. Put it inside. See the
That's
material.
the next batch.
Yeah?
Next batch.
Yes. They mix this thing with master bag. Warmer.
Mm-hmm.
You make it hot. Once it's hot, you now bring it and put it inside there. Come and see it. Come and see this.
But what's the duration? How many minutes?
You when the thing, this thing will tell you now. See where you're going to on it. When you on the
Okay.
moment,
Then it will automatically off once.
when you feel like you are okay, you off it and check
Okay.
now. You check the thing will be very hot. You
Okay.
understand? As rice that they just finished cooking.
Mm.
Come and touch this thing. It's even small hot. It's even still hot. Without panic, yes. Touch
Only one
inside.
more.
If there, it's still
Yeah.
hot. So that's the thing. That's it. It's the hotness that will make it. Okay. So that's all. That's everything. So right. How many days have you stayed here? Like this factory? Tell them.
Okay, I will say 3 days so far.
Okay,
3 days.
3 days. So
Yeah.
can you tell them your experience so far? What have you observed in nylon
Okay.
production? Do you think the business is very profitable for those watching the video?
Mm. Okay, for these 3 days, I would say though I still have a long way to go
Yeah.
in course of based on learning aspect, but the 3 days I think I've gained a lot of informations, especially on the business ethics in nylon production and some basic things on how to handle machineries, these automatic machineries machines. So,
Okay, so based on your experience with us and the business you have done with us so far,
mhm.
what advice do you have to give those watching? Would you advise them to join our online and physical training?
Yes, I have to. Yes, I would advise them to join, not just to come because someone pushed them, but they need to have the passion. Understand? And I have to say, I think here is one of the best places to learn anything that has to do with nylon production. I'm not saying because I'm here, you understand, but based on what I've seen so far, like I said, this is my third day, but the information I've gotten is essential. You understand? So I would advise anybody who wants to come and join here, please do so and do it very fast. Yeah.
Wow,
Thank you
wow,
so
wow,
much.
wow. So nice meeting with you here.
Thank you.
So for those of you watching, I observed that I have ghost viewers and ghost trainees, especially in YouTube. Most of you are just ghosting me, and I don't like it. If you watch my video and you are interested, do where to contact me. Let me know that you are my trainee because some people are every day I'll be getting calls. Hello, ma, I'm your student. I will be like, student, how? The person will tell me I have been following you for years on YouTube and I have started producing nylon. How? How did you learn all those things? They said they learned everything on my YouTube channel. Well, I'm so happy for you guys. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. For those of you that haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you join the family. If you don't forget, we also offer online and physical training. For those of you that is interested, please contact V World Nylon Production with the number on the screen. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.